Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Pochita, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Next, I'm going to make another circle right inside of here, pretty big. And then I'm going to color in most of this. So I'm just going to leave just that little bit white around there. And I'm actually going to make this even a little bit bigger. Now, starting here, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around, and I'm going to bring it back to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make another little line that's just going to curve up. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out. It's going to curve around and then come back for like the little chainsaw. I'm going to draw another line right around here. And then I'm going to make some little diagonal lines right across here. Next, I'm going to make some points right across here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to make this line curve up for the mouth. I'll put two little triangles in there for some teeth. And a little curved line for the mouth. Right here, I'll make a line that's going to curve around and then come back for a leg. And then I'll do another one over here. I'll make a little line here. And then I'll draw a line that's going to curve down and up. And then a little line that's going to come up and over to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line up. And then I'm going to bring this line up to a point and back here for the tail. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down, like an upside down triangle. And I'll do another one inside of here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and then down. Then one here, up, over, and then down, and curve around. Then I'll bring this line down to here. Then I'll add a couple little lines here. And then I'll put a little line or two onto each foot. And there you go. There is your drawing of Pochita from Chainsaw Man. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.